Union County was very much a textile county. It really began to explode in growth in the 1900s when we had the original industrial revolution of textiles enter into our county. That textile went away in the early 1990s and declined to the point of zero operating textile mills in 2000. It really sucked the life out of Union County. And people were left with no jobs. They were not left with the support that the mill used to bring for public utilities. You lost the close-knit neighborhood, you will, of those mill villages because there was no support mechanism.
Everyone is sort of getting on board with the fact that leather production, both in the tanning side and some of the chemicals used, as well as the raising of animals for it, has ethical implications as well as resource implications, right? So issues around the water usage, land usage, etc., to raise cattle. And so this is a really interesting opportunity to make a product that has identical properties and can be produced in like an order of magnitude less time and resource usage. MycoWorks is a biotech, biomaterial company. We have a research branch and we have sort of a scaled up production branch. And our primary product is a leather material. And we produce that right now in trays inside of our building in what we call solid state reactors. And that raw material gets sent out to tanneries around the world and turned into, right now, luxury products, but in the future, hoping to expand that quite a bit, everything from automotive to consumer electronics.
Union County has enjoyed having MycoWorks in place. They very quickly went to 300 employees. Most of their employees are from Union County. When they began to do advertisements for employees, we're going to open up, we're going to go ahead and get you training. They went through a workforce program to have that done, and there were lines there of people wanting to sign up to go to work.
The opportunities that we offer with MycoWorks, nice paying jobs. Our benefits are very competitive for the area. One of the things too that I think is a real positive is we're trying to create a culture where we are really tapping into the talents and the input from people. We want to really empower people to be able to feel like that they can own their little area that they're responsible for.
It's just amazing that it's green energy. It's a green product. There's no bad waste in the environment such as there would be if you were tanning leather. And here's the product that they can make out of a mushroom, and it's made right here in Union County, South Carolina. It's just amazing.
We really are using mushrooms to make leather. Really, at the end of the day, it's mostly mushroom tissue, but kind of grown in an engineered direction that you would not find in nature. And we're able to do that by manipulating the conditions of growth. And then later on down the process, we actually tan it in a way very similar to leather. We use the exact same equipment, but we've reduced some of the chemical inputs to have it be using not forever chemicals and things like that.
It's good to see that the community now has really a premier type manufacturing organization is also going to help to grow the community.
MycoWorks coming into Union, it's a win-win for everyone concerned. Not only that, but it's a significant impact to Union made because they were investing in Union. It spurred the local investment in jobs and housing. So that right there showed us that MycoWorks, they're here to stay.
Part of our values is that we're part of the community. We want to foment change. However we do that, and whatever that means to the local community. And to really be a part of the community, we need to get involved, right? So we've sponsored community programs, all the way down to a judge barbecue contest, and we've been on the radio and that sort of thing. And I think that's all well and good. I think it helps, and certainly drive folks' interest in MycoWorks. But I think what's important is that we meet people where they're at. MycoWorks is a bit of a lifestyle. People don't come to MycoWorks and work 8 to 4 and go home. They're very passionate here, and we're very passionate about them.
I have said since I came into office here that Union County was at the apex of getting ready to grow very large, to grow and become what we knew it could be all along. I think you're going to see Union County in the next 15 years be almost unrecognizable to what it is right now.